do a Rubik's Cube and Bourbon Street.
Bourbon Street New Orleans. Man, see how crazy it is? All right, go. Show them the first step. First step.
Daisy. Daisy.
Good job. Second step. Show it to me. Oh, good job. Second step. Got the white cross. Now do the third step. You got to solve the entire white side this time. A lot of smell of Mary Jane around here. Hopefully it doesn't affect your concentration. Good job. Now do the fourth step. Got to solve the bottom two rows. Fourth step.
Brains go here. Wait, maybe I gotta get this in a second time. And gray now.
Okay.
I've got the red yellow. Turn it here.
So you gotta do the red, right?
Reds go here. Blue, red, green. This again. Red, green go here.
Got it? Oh no, one more.
Blue.
Yep. One more. There you go.
Blues go here. Yes.
You got the fourth step done. Good job. Now you got to do the fifth step. Remember the acronym FURURF? And you can find a backwards L's how you want it.
I got that in the first try?
Yeah, now you got
Sometimes that's happened in
Now,
the
if you
first
got
try.
2 pairs of yellow corners, you want that on what, your left side. And now you do the
Left
sixth step.
Put it here.
No.
Leave it.
Just leave it like that, and now do the sixth step.
I got
Now
it.
what? Now what do you do?
Turn it.
Now you want this on your left side with that. You're going to get it this time.
Yay.
All right. But you don't know the seventh step, right?
Can I end the video now?
This is good, though. All right. You want to say goodbye? So you did the first 6 steps, so you're making progress. Your goal is to do it within a month. But this time we did it on Bourbon Street in New Orleans, right?
Yeah, next time I gotta do it in a different street.
Hopefully you get the whole thing. You ready to say goodbye and subscribe? And
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and like, subscribe, and share with the friends you don't know.